So today I'm going to put on my foundation. This is Macadamia cream. You can find Macadamia cream at Macadamia stores. So I'm going to gently just rub it on my chin. Piece of dirt right there. Got it. So yeah, I'm going to rub it around really rough. Rub it on my forehead, around my nose, eyes, yep, everywhere. Yep, let me try to wipe my eyebrow off, sorry. Yep, okay. So after I'm done with that, then I'm going to use these. This is stuff, and this is more stuff, and you take some stuff and you put it onto the other stuff, and you mix them in together. And now I put that around my eyes because it's going to give me the gold. And so I apply the gold stuff to my eyes, just above and under my eyebrow, as you can see. And I make my face look really serious as I apply this application because it's a must that I look beautiful after I put on this makeup. Oh, and then I peep at you through the mirror to make sure you're looking. Oh yeah, draw it on really good. Yeah, make sure you get it on the edges. Yeah, and make sure you look out the side of your eye while you're doing it to make sure none of it slips by. And as you can see, my eyebrows start to turn a different color as I do this from my face. But don't mind the discoloration between my eyebrows and my face because later on I'm gonna make it all catch up with each other and I'm gonna look like a golden-faced girl or a brown-skinned girl. So as I continue with this application, it's pretty long and boring and drawn out, but I have to keep doing this for the sake of the video. As you can see, my hand is starting to get tired and I'm resting my right arm on the counter. Yeah, exhausted. So now I take a little break and then I get more of this stuff and I apply it on even more. Because to be a woman, it takes a lot of time, pain, suffering, and makeup. Okay, so now I continue to draw this application, and as you will begin to see, my eyebrows are getting lighter than the rest of my face. Yeah, and mind you, I have to pucker my lips as I do this to make my face tight, to ensure that the product applies properly. And then I look in the mirror and I look side to side and look paranoid in the process. And then I continue on because you never know who's standing behind you when you put it on makeup. And then again, I draw more of this eye stuff on and I stretch my eyebrow out even further. So I'm practically drawing my eyebrows on. And you just blend it in with this toothbrush looking thing. And again, disregard the fact that my eyebrows are a different color from my face. Okay, so next we're going to take this pencil looking thing and I'm going to draw onto my eyebrows some more. And then this stuff in a black bottle. Yep, did you see the name? Nope, I didn't think so. I'm going to try to get these dark circles from around my eyes and in the process make a masquerade mask around my eyes. Now, eventually my whole face is going to be this color, but in the meantime, I like to start everything around my eyes because I think the eyes and the eyebrows are the center of my face. Well, maybe my nose is the center of my face, but you get my point. So now I'm going to go really, really fast and put on a whole bunch of this face paint. And I'm going to put more face paint, face paint. Face paint. Yep. Super fast, face paint. Okay, so then I take tissue because I got some on my eyeball. So let me wipe that off my eyeball. Okay, face paint off my eyeball. Now I'm going to get this brush. And I'm going to blend in this face paint. And blend it in some more. And slow down so that you can see me put this stuff on this brush. And at this point, we slow down so that I can blend the rest of my face in with my eyes. Now, I know this may look like a lot of makeup, but in truth, you would put this type of makeup on your face if you were going out to like a carnival, or maybe you wanted to be a clown in a circus, or, what else? Oh, yeah. If you were going out on a hot date and you just wanted to make your face up because you love making up your face, then this is what you would do. But I highly recommend it if you're going to put this much makeup on your face and it's going to change the color of your skin this much, that you make sure you cover your neck so that people won't be able to tell the difference between your face and your neck color. Okay? Okay, great. And so next we have this. Look at that. Look at my seductive eyes. Ooh. So I'm not going to use this. Wait. Nah, not that. How about this? Yeah, this. Yeah, this one. Yeah, looks like the one I just put down, but it's not. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to paint my face black. What am I making, a beard? A mustache. What is this, a goatee? Oh, interesting. Oh, I know. I'm a Pocahontas tribal American Indian. Ha, yes, perfect. Oh, no, maybe not. So I'm going to draw lines and dots on my face and look like a cadaver. Oh, no, maybe not a cadaver. Wrong word. But anyways, I'm going to blend all of this stuff in. And when I'm done, my face is going to be a completely different color than the rest of my body, but who cares? Who cares? It's all about the look, right? It's all about the face. Yeah, see, he's coming together. I'm happy. See, did my little dance. Hey, now I'm painting my face more. Okay, so now we're going to add a little bit of this gold glitter shimmer. Glitter shimmer. Up. Let's just peel that out a bit. Up. Here we go. More paint. 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 And more paint. Be sure not to get this on your eyeball like I did before, but if you do, just get some toilet paper and wash your eyeball. Yeah. Or rinse it out with cold water. Yeah. And so now I'm going to just blend in this gold glitter stuff. See? Ta-da! Glitter face. And for my next trick, I'll add more makeup. Yes, you heard me right. More makeup. This time, it's going to be darker. Yeah, so now we're adding dark pencil. I guess this is supposed to bring out the gold. And then this eyelash stuff. Now, let me tell you, these are my natural eyelashes because I can't buy eyelashes right now because the stores are closed. Oh, unless I ordered some. But anyways, so we're going to add more paint. Add even more paint. And you notice how I drew like my, guess what it's called, eye tips? The tips of my eyes out to make my eyes look more slanted than they really are. Yeah, well, that part. So that part was for that part. Okay, so notice how I'm getting this blend going in really nice. And now my face looks different than when we started. Okay, so here we go. Okay, we're nearing the finishing touches here. So I'm going to go a little fast because this part takes a really long time, but I'm going to go really fast so that we can get it done really fast. But in all actuality, it took me like an hour to actually put all this makeup on my face. But still, yeah. Yeah. So, yeah, a little more there. Perfect. Okay, so now we're back to drawing more. This is gold stuff in the corner of your eyes. And you put that there in case of, I don't know. I can't figure it out. But anyways, we put this stuff on my lips. And you rub it together. What is this? Lipstick? Lip gloss?
I don't know. She doesn't even tell you what it is. But anyways, so we add a little more, and we add a little more, and we add some more. Oh my God. Okay, so here we go. A little bit more. Then you look in the mirror, back and forth, up, little tissue, up, kiss them together. Go back, up, whatever that is. I know, she's going so fast, I can't see what it is. Up, blush, blush, up, oh, shimmer. This is shimmer. It makes, oh, look at that. Oh, her face is golden. Oh, wow, it's sparkling, it's shiny, it has a glow. Hello, glow face. I am glowing. Ooh, look at me. The finished product. Say cheese, cheese. And that is how you apply about 15 pounds of makeup to your face. Ta-da!